Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am just filming the long-awaited, much requested Claire Danes from Romeo and Juliet makeup and hair tutorial. Duh! I have gotten so many requests for this, I can't even count them. There was just an absurd amount. And a lot of you guys say I look like her. I'm not sure if I have my mirror right here. I'm not sure if I see it, but it's a compliment. She's super pretty. So yeah, this was my attempt at her look from the movie. I absolutely love the movie. I think it's so fun and so like different from the normal Romeo and Juliet. It has such a weird modern twist. It was kind of like strange to watch the first time, but if you guys haven't seen it, I definitely recommend it, especially when we have nothing else to do. But yeah, I just did her hair and her makeup, and sadly I don't have any wings, so I guess you could consider this more of an everyday Juliet, but I'm just gonna Photoshop some on in Photoshop for the thumbnail. But yeah, anyways, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just go ahead and keep watching. And I forgot to mention one more thing. I'm actually using my boyfriend's camera right now. I've been using my phone and the quality is just so bad. I just didn't like it, so I'm trying a new camera. And it's really good quality. I'm sure the video will look really good, but I'm not sure how the sound will be. So sorry if this video sounds weird. I'll get that fixed by the next one. So yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, should be interesting. So I'm gonna start with my hair. Where's my phone? So I'm gonna start with my hair. Her hair is like the cute little like wispy bangs, and then she's got like this braided hair that's kind of like half up, half down. But before I do any of that, my hair is a wreck right now, so I'm just gonna put in some dry shampoo, and then I'm gonna straighten it, and I'm just gonna straighten everything to kind of curl inwards, and then I'll style my bangs. I have a whole video on how I style my bangs. I'll have that linked down below. But yeah, I'm just gonna do that for the sake of making this video not 20 minutes long like I usually do, and then I'll be back. Ugh. Ow. Okay. Moving on. So I did my hair. I think I just trimmed my bangs, and I feel like I trimmed them a little too short, but whatever. I have my mirror right here, so. Yeah, now we're just gonna get straight into the hair, I guess, the easy part. 1 second. So yeah, all you're really gonna need is some clear hair ties. I'm gonna do kind of an easier version of this hairstyle because I just am. So yeah. Anyways, what you want to do, so this is like the picture I'm going off of, but what you want to do is you want to leave some hair to like frame your face like that. Looks pretty good. And then I'm going to leave some to cover my ear as well, kind of turn it into a half up, half down situation. Wow, can we talk about my roots? So I'm just going to use this chunk essentially for my braid, and I'm just going to section that away from the rest of my hair. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Just making sure they're even. And then I'm just going to pretty much put all the other hair away, just with like a scrunchie or something. Do you wanna, this is my trick, you wanna smooth it down in the ponytail. So that will help later on, you'll see why. Okay, so that's nice and smoothed down. Just like a low ponytail, like so. Now, what I'm gonna do is just braid these pieces very loosely. I'm not even gonna do a French braid because hers is just 2 normal braids. Just put it into 3 sections and just start loosely braiding backwards. You do want to try to make it like as smooth as possible. I find it helps to kind of braid backwards like that so you don't get any weird bumps. Oops. And you just need to braid far enough back to where it meets like the halfway point of your head. Okay, and then I'm just gonna pull some of this hair like so. Okay, then I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side. And then you're just gonna join them together in the back. I'll turn around. Like so, and then I'll just kind of play with it a little. And then you just take out the hair you didn't use. And then I feel like I kind of want these to be a bit looser. Voila, there's the hair done. Her bangs are a bit more wispier than mine, but I just cut mine, so I can't really undo that, so sorry. Anyways, now let's just get into the makeup. You go, little corny. Okay. What did I hit? I don't know what that was. Okay, so hair is done. Now I'm just gonna get into the makeup. Super fun. Wow, there's like no good photos of her makeup on the internet. I'm having a very difficult time. Like they're so over edited. Okay, well, whatever. I'll take a screenshot from the movie. So this is the makeup inspiration I'm going for. So yeah, we'll just get right into it. I already primed my face with the Glossier Priming Moisturizer. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my base. This is the Glossier Skin Tint. I just actually uploaded a whole new updated foundation routine. So I'll have that link down below. So I'm just gonna fast forward. Okay, and then after that's done, I just go in with the Glossier Stretch Concealer to cover any redness, which I have a lot of right now, unfortunately. Okay, and then after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and spot conceal any blemishes I have with my Makeup Forever Full Cover Concealer. Alrighty, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and set just the oily, like my T-zone areas with powder. I just use the Airspun powder. Okay, then I'm gonna add bronzer. This is just, I finally found my bronzer. This is my Bare Minerals, what is this called? Invisible Bronze in the shade Light. It's my favorite bronzer. I'm not gonna go too crazy because your girl's super pasty right now. I need to get outside more. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and do my brows. I'm gonna do them off camera because I, again, just did a whole updated foundation and brow routine, so just if you're really that interested, it'll be linked down below, so I'll just do that. Okay, so brows are done. So now I'm just gonna move on to eyes, which are really basic. I'm literally just gonna add some natural definition. So I'm just taking this palette from Lancome, and it's probably old and expired. Just take like a nice neutral purpley toned palette and use a light purple to kind of just lightly define my lash line, but I'm gonna use the thicker side of the brush because I have hooded eyes and I kind of like to cover a little bit more surface area, if that makes sense. It just looks nicer. So like that, and then same on the other eye. And then I'll just take the blush shade from that palette actually as a transition, and I'll just blend like so. And then I'm gonna take the darkest purple with a smaller brush and kind of use that as an eyeliner. So just a very smoky but still natural defined eye. Pretty easy. And then I'm just gonna wipe that off and take the light purple shade again and put that on like the lower half of my eye. Oops, that was too much. And that'll just kind of help my eyes look a bit more almond shaped or like round, because she's huge eyes and I, however, do not. We'll move on to finally putting some color on my face because I look so washed out right now. I'm gonna go in with, let's see, the Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Storm. I really like this shade for 90s looks because it's really brown and rosy. And that's definitely the vibe going on throughout the movie. So I'm just gonna put some of that on my cheeks and blend out. I try to blend pretty close to my eye because I just feel like that gives it a more natural blushed look. I always end up wiping off all of the concealer when I put this blush on, so I don't know why I don't just do concealer after. Whatever. Nose. I didn't know there was more in my other finger. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit to my lips and a little bit to my chin just to kind of like even things out. So there's the lips and cheeks done. I'm just gonna take my beauty blender that's a little bit damp and just run that over the blush so there's no harsh lines. And then she doesn't really have freckles, but I noticed she does have some moles, so I'm just gonna recreate those on my face using my Freck because it's good for moles too, and I'm literally just gonna strategically place them on my pimples. Good to me. And then I'm just gonna tap those with my finger, but be careful because you don't want to make more moles, you just want to lighten these ones, so I kind of wait for them to be a bit more dry. That looks so dumb. I actually really don't like how that looks. Okay, and then on top of that, I'm gonna add a few freckles because I feel like this looks a little weird without them. I think that kind of sells them as moles a bit more. Okay, and so now I'm just gonna add some mascara. Super easy. Why do I always say that? I don't know. I'm gonna do it really natural though. I don't want to actually look like I'm wearing mascara. Just a really light dusting to kind of tint my lashes. I would love to get my lashes tinted. Comment down below if you guys have ever done it. I'm really interested in getting them done, especially for summer, but obviously I'll wait till quarantine is over because that ain't safe. I wonder if I could do it myself. I feel like that's probably a little dangerous. And I'm gonna avoid my bottom lash line altogether just because I want it to look natural. Now I'm just gonna line my lips with my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk in the shade Medium. Okay, and then my last step, because I really want that just kissed kind of look, I'm gonna take my Chanel, I don't know why I just said it like that. I'm gonna take my Chanel, what is this even called? It's just like a liquid lipstick from Chanel. It has no name, but one side's got like a clear gloss. I don't know, where's the shade? Ever Red. Just a red lipstick, any red lipstick. I like this one because it's a bit more rusty colored rather than that really bluish red, if that makes any sense. I'm gonna wipe pretty much everything off though. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit on the inner parts of my lips. And then I'm just gonna blend it out with my finger. Like, oh my god, like so. Whatever. And then I'm just gonna take the clear gloss on the other side. Whoa, drop my mirror, and I'm just gonna put that on my lips. Make them look nice and kissable. And then I think that completes the makeup look, so I'm gonna go put on my dress, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I just decided I'd try and split my bangs a bit more down the middle, because she's got like more of a middle part going on, so that's really the only thing I changed. But yeah, I just have my little dress that I feel like really looks like hers from the movie, and for my thumbnail I'm just gonna Photoshop on some wings because I don't currently have any, but I'm sure you guys just like get the idea. Just bing, little wings, that's literally all you need. But I guess maybe you could just consider this a more everyday wearable Romeo and Juliet look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and be sure to hit the bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, which is every Tuesday and Friday at 6. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.